Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create speed dial on iPhone. Now, I'd like to let you know first that iPhone currently doesn't support like speed dial that the other Android has. So if you are going to type, say for example, just a number, it's going to dial automatically like a certain person. We can't do that here. So here's a workaround, and it's going to be as simple as that. So we're going to go ahead and open the phone application. Now that we've opened the phone application, I want you to go ahead and select the contacts. So say, for example, this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and open that one. And then what you're going to do, scroll down and click add to favorites. And then go ahead and type call, phone, and then the phone number. There you go. So now that this person has been added to favorites, I can go ahead and click the favorites right here. And yeah, there you go. So basically the idea is we are going to go ahead and open the application, open the favorites, go ahead and click that person, and it's going to dial that person in your phone. So depending on the applications that you have set this to, it could be message. So yeah, that's basically how you're going to create speed dial on iPhone.